Hello viewers, today I am with a very well-known personality of Chandigarh, and he is popularly known as life coach and social activist. He served Indian Army, he is author of many books, he was key speaker in many national and international seminars. Currently he is president of Residential Welfare Association of Sector 13, Chandigarh, which is the biggest residential welfare association of Tri-City. So let's go and meet him. Now we over to Colonel Gursevak Singh ji, and today we will be talking about stress management. Stress is the most burning issue of our society, and I want to ask Colonel Sahab, what is stress? Stress है की चीज़ है, please sir.
In our life, number of things happens around us. There are a number of situations which are developed in your day-to-day life, and our body is designed to respond to these events and the situation which we face. So the pressure created in our mind due to the response of our body to the situations around us, we can call it stress. Now the events could be pleasant, not so pleasant, or unpleasant. For example, if the situation is pleasant, you are on a picnic, you are traveling on a foreign trip, you are celebrating something, then this body response is in the form of excitement, which we enjoy. And if the situation you face is not so pleasant, for example, there is a death in the family, road accident, injury, financial problems, then health problems, then the body's response is sort of negative. That causes negative pressure in your system, and that is called bad stress. Here I want to mention is that all stress is not damaging to our well-being. In fact, certain amount of stress is required for the basic survival of human beings. If there were no stress, we are just like a vegetable, we will not do anything constructive, we will be lazy, because it is the stress which activates you, it is the stress which rejuvenates you, it is the stress which helps you to perform, achieve results. For example, if there is no stress, the student will not achieve those marks. If there were no stress to the athlete, he will not break those records.
So stress is required and helpful if it is a positive.
Yes, there is a positive stress, technically called eustress, and there is a negative stress which is called distress, we call it bad stress. And up to a limit, stress is useful for the body, and beyond that limit is called incidentally tension tolerance level, TTL. Each one of us has a different TTL.
Different always.
Because in the family, if you see, one event takes place, everybody is stressed differently.
Yes.
So we all have a different TTL. So if it goes beyond TTL, then it is a bad stress, and it is the bad stress which we must learn to manage.
So then comes to the, what are the sources of stress?
That's a good question. Stress मिलते कहाँ से?
Stress आने के.
We can say that the stress is in the environment, one, and second, we create stress from inside also. For example, environment means two places. The place where we work, and we can call it professional stress, and the place where we live, that is called domestic stress. Now let's take professional stress. Now the professional stress may occur when you do not come up to the expectation of your boss or the organization which you serve. For that, there are two reasons again. You are not competent to hold that post. So you don't know your duties. That means you are there for reasons other than the merit. So you will create stress for yourself and for the organization also, क्योंकि काम तो आपसे होगा नहीं. Second is you are not compatible with this post. When I say compatible, it means you are not temperamentally suited to the job assigned to you. For example, you done a degree in engineering and you are a practical man. हाथ से बहुत अच्छा काम करते हो, लेकिन you didn't get proper job in the engineering department. So you, under the circumstances, started teaching to the engineering student. But teaching is not your cup of tea.
Yes.
So that means now you will create stress for yourself as well for the other. So ऐसा होगी stress थोड़ी outside and from the inside. Human bodies by default are susceptible to the negative thoughts and negative vibrations. For example, feeling of revenge, jealousy. मेरी साड़ी उसकी साड़ी से ज़्यादा सफ़ेद, ना उल्टा कर दो, उसकी साड़ी मेरी साड़ी से ज़्यादा सफ़ेद है ना, उसका घर मेरे से बहुत बड़ा घर क्यों? Jealousy, feeling of revenge, angerness, and also most important is the fear of the death, fear of uncertainty, and fear of in the corona call also you have seen certain people went into depression thinking कि एक कोरोना इन्फेक्शन मेरे को ना हो जाए, कोई तो है नहीं, but depression में चले.
This was a very different type of stress coming to the society which we were not expected.
We are not expected, but वो एक fear of uncertainty. वो उससे आप. So what happened is there is a stress from outside and stress we have also created yourself. Then if you say, as you asked me, other source of stress is domestic stress. Domestic stress is number of domestic problems we all face. So we are designed to, our body designed to deal with the problem. But the major source of stress in the domestic category is from your relationships.
Yes.
Relation with your parents, with your siblings, with your children. But one study has revealed the major cause of stress is a relationship with your spouse. So this is a very important subject. We will cover it separately.
Yes.
How to maintain harmonious relationship with your spouse. Because if you are happily married, you find there is
because society norms is changing every day. Husband, wife, both are serving at different locations, serving in different fields of life. So you are very correct. This stress is very, very different and new in the society.
Yes, that means if you are happily married, you feel good. But suppose there is a marital discord, what happens? There is a negative environment at home and your work also suffers. Yes. Because you are not able to focus on your work also. So that means if you are married, you must do your best to maintain, if not harmonious relationship, at least the working relationship, so that you can focus on your work also.
Yes.